Hi, my name's Justin with Justin Paul Management. I'm going to be talking with you about how to conduct a criminal background check. Now, this is a very important tool, especially if the industry that you're in requires that you have done some kind of criminal background or due diligence to make sure that your employees or contractors that may be handling sensitive information such as social security numbers or credit card information, you need to be able to run a background check to make sure that those employees do not have a criminal record, especially if, for example, they're dealing with financial information and they don't have a theft or fraud record. So that it's just an important tool to be able to have this in your tool belt. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to collect the information from the applicant. The information that you're going to need are going to be first, middle, last name, date of birth, social security number. You may even need to collect information on the last few years of addresses, aliases, things like that. Next thing that you're going to do is going to get consent from them. This could be a very simple form that simply states that we may be running your information for criminal background check. Do you consent to this? Then at least you have some way to show that they were aware of the fact that you were going to be running a criminal background check. Some states actually require, if you're going to be submitting forms to them, that a consent form has been signed. So check with your state to make sure that that's the case. Next thing that you're going to do is you can go actually directly to the FBI, the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Just do a quick Google search for FBI background check, and you'll see a form there. It costs, as of this video, $18 for an individual. And what they'll do is they, in fact, often need fingerprints too. So I don't think it's a requirement, but it may be, so you need to double check that. But what they'll do is they'll actually run across their databases to see if there's any information. If they cannot find anything, they'll just send you a simple response back that says no record. So, and that's a good thing. It means that the applicant hasn't had any crimes that their name or social is associated with. Another place that you can go that I've used actually is the many states actually have a database of crimes and names associated with those crimes that they make freely available. But if you really want to drill down and make sure you've got everything that you could possibly find and prove that you have done your due diligence, you can always hire a third-party investigator. There are many wonderful online places you can go with services ranging from $30 to hundreds of dollars for a background check, and those can be very thorough or they can be very basic. But that's the best way to go through the process. Again, you got to collect their information, get consent. You can go to the federal level, which is the FBI, to get a background check. Go to the state level to see if there are any records, and you can always go to a third party as well.